This is an urgent appeal from Team No Hope. This is Forrest. Forrest lives in Cornwall. Like everyone in Cornwall, he must travel hundreds of miles just to see a race circuit. Forrest dreams of racing at the Isle of Man TT, but first must travel to Northern Ireland for the prestigious Northwest 200 road race. Away from the track, Forrest can be found building a shelter to protect himself and his motorcycle from Cornwall's harsh winters, and selling cakes to young children to fund repairs to his beloved ZX-10R. You could make a difference. For as little as £2 a week, you could help Forrest buy fuel for his race bike and his van. That £2 could help buy the knee sliders that he so desperately needs. If you think you could spare £2 a week or more to help Forrest's dreams come true, as without that £2 he may not have the tyres to do celebratory burnouts. So join us in supporting Forrest. Forest on Fire 2015. To make a donation, please go to www.gofundme.com/ForestOnFire 2015 or through PayPal to forest-dunn@hotmail.co.uk.